Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 because of this error code that is 0x800705b9. Now the first step is to run Windows PowerShell as an administrator, and then you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once done, run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once it is done, run the last command. Now restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working? The next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can update your Windows 11. Still not working? Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once paused, click on resume updates and then let the update complete and then check. Still not working? Then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here you can write down the name of the update. For example, it's KB5089549. Whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of the update and then click on search. This is just an example. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box. WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. Then open Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down at the bottom, click on about option over here and check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then on this screen click on the update, that is KB5089549 in my case. So click on the update and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working? Close all third-party application. Like if you have, make sure only the update is running, rest close all the application. If you have any anti-cheat program like Faceit, Anti-Cheat, Riot, Vanguard, etc., you can uninstall it, restart your PC and try again. Next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. You can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option. Here you can see recovery option. Click on recovery and fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Click on it. So click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully, and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.